In this video, I'll show you how to measure the length of an arc in AutoCAD using two quick and easy methods. If you want the arc length displayed directly on your drawing, you can use the arc length dimension tool to create a dimension that shows the exact measurement. If you only need to check the length without adding dimensions, there's an even faster option. Simply select the arc, type list in the command line, and press enter. AutoCAD will display detailed information about the selected object, including the exact arc length. This method is perfect when you need accurate measurements without changing your drawing or adding extra annotations. You can also copy the value from the command window and use it in reports, calculations, or project documentation. Whether you're working on engineering drawings, architectural plans, or manufacturing designs, knowing how to measure arc length accurately can save time and improve precision. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more AutoCAD tutorials, and thanks for watching.